Hi guys, welcome back to a new video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and today I am sharing with you the 6th Winter Nail Art Week video already. This is a really easy to do red gel polish design. You can recreate this with regular nail polishes as well if you are not a girl or guy who loves to wear gel polishes. But yeah, if you want to know how I made this, please keep on watching. For the record, on my left hand you can actually see the design that I shared yesterday, and yeah, just start off with clean fresh nails. You want to prep them on forehand, make sure there isn't any oil or dust on there, and just go in with your base coat. I am using gel polishes by Madam Glam. It is one of my favorite brands. I just love them. They wear really well. They don't lift or chip or anything like that. You could actually check out what my nails look like after 4.5 weeks of wearing the same design, because I went on my Asia trip in October throughout November, and yeah, they lasted so well. I can really recommend this brand of gel polishes. I do know that they are a little bit more expensive, but they're definitely worth the price. I am going to use Smart Oxblood. I think this was one from the Daddy's Girl collection, but I'm not quite sure anymore. You could just look it up on madamglam.com, just search on Smart Oxblood and you will find this color. It is still in their collection, so you're still able to get it yourself if you want a lovely dark red or deeper red color with a beautiful like shimmer in there. So each layer of Madam Glam gel polishes have to be cured in LED for 30 seconds, or I think it's like 2 minutes in UV. So keep an eye out for that. If you are using a UV light instead of LED, I would always recommend to just go for LED, because you won't have any like skin issues if you use it a lot. You won't get like tanned hands or anything like that because you are using LED. So yeah, you just want to apply that. I'm going to do every single nail exactly the same, so it really is a repetitive video, but I really loved it. I think it turned out really festive and really beautiful as well. So you just want to apply 2 layers, maybe even 1 layer if you have shorter nails. I just love to apply 2 thin layers to my longer natural nails because I don't like my natural nail to shine through like throughout the colored gel, but just apply as many or as little layers as you want to. As I said, you can also recreate this with a regular nail polish, but the only thing is you have to apply the glitters as like the fade a little bit differently compared to making a glitter gradient or glitter fade in gel polishes. But if you want to know how to do a glitter gradient with regular nail polishes, I also have a video out for that. I think it's even featured on my like home page here on YouTube, so if you want to check it out, you are more than welcome. I am going to use another beautiful glitter from the nail team. As I mentioned before, Gemma was so kind to send me out 12 of their beautiful colors, like really randomly different like shapes, sizes, everything, but I really love this super finely milled one. It is so beautiful. So I'm just going to use one of my fluffy brushes, grab some of that glitter, tap the brush off a little bit because you are going to grab a lot of glitter with brushes like that, and you just want to press it into the cuticle area, making sure to just press it into the tacky layer of the just cured gel. I prefer pressing it in the tacky layer because it just really works wonders with finely milled glitters like this. And after that you can just go in with your top coat. I'm using the no wipe top coat by Madam Glam, but you can use the regular one as well. Just make sure to remove the tacky layer of the regular top coat, because after that one is cured there's still a tacky layer on there, and you can just remove that with some rubbing alcohol. But yeah, just apply your top coat and cure that for 30 seconds and your nail is already completely done. After that has cured, you can just take your fluffy brush and just get rid of any excess glitter that is still on the finger. As you can see here, this glitter was so finely milled, there was glitter everywhere. So yeah, I'm just going to use a little bit of rubbing alcohol and just get rid of those glitters, because I felt like these glitters were so tiny, so small, they got stuck everywhere, and it just works best to just remove them, maybe with a pad and some rubbing alcohol, but sometimes a brush works wonders as well. But yeah, that was already the first nail completely done. I do have to mention, when I recorded this video, I really wasn't feeling it. I wasn't feeling like myself. I just had like a couple of rejections of jobs I actually applied on, and I was just not having the best day. And that is something that I really want to take a side note on in this video as well, that it is okay that not every day is the best day of your life, and I can totally understand that sometimes you just have an off day, and that happens. Like for me particularly, I wasn't like really like with my head like present when I made this video, if you know what I mean. I was just thinking about a lot of different things, like what jobs should I apply on next, and I was just feeling a little bit bummed out because it's never cool to have a rejection on a job that you actually really wanted to do. So yeah, sometimes things like that happen. I wasn't there like mentally. I was just doing my nails because I wanted to distract myself, and doing my nails is something that makes me happy. So yeah, but because I just wasn't feeling it that day, I was a little bit like shaky. You can see it here. I was like messing up every single nail, getting gel polish on my skin, of course removing it with like an orange wood stick or my nail, and wiping off my nail afterwards. Of course, you don't want to leave any uncured gel on the skin or anything like that. But you know, it's okay if you have an off day, and I can totally understand people who are going through a lot of stuff at the moment, especially like during the holiday season. I know that there are a lot of people out there who actually don't like the holiday season. Like, I am just full on Christmas spirit, you know. I love it. I think it's festive, it's gezellig, and I just really, really love it. But I can totally understand that if you don't like it as much, or maybe you're going through like specific personal things, maybe you've lost someone you've loved, and yeah, you just miss someone you've lost as well. I can totally understand that some people really don't like this time of year. But if there is something as simple as doing your nails just to distract yourself, to make yourself feel a little bit more pretty and all that jazz, why not do it? Just something as simple as doing your nails can really boost your confidence, just your self-esteem, just the way you look at yourself. It's really simple actually, but why not do it if it helps you? Like, it definitely took my mind off the fact that I was rejected for a couple of jobs. So why won't you like pamper yourself a little bit, you know? I can totally understand if you're really not feeling up to it, don't do it. But if it helps you out, why not? Just go for it, you know? But that was just something I really wanted to mention as well, like a little side note, that if you are not feeling the holidays, it is totally fine as well. You can do whatever you want to. You can not do whatever you don't want to do, you know? It's totally up to you. But yeah, sometimes I have my off days as well, and sometimes it would have been better if I recorded this on another day. But then again, I don't like quitting. That's just not my personality. So I just grab my shit together and just finish this design anyway, because in the end, I loved wearing this design for like, I think it was like 3 weeks or something that I actually wore this design. I pre-recorded a lot of the videos for this Winter Nailart week when I just got back from my Asia trip. So that's why some designs I actually wore for a longer period of time. But yeah, I really love the outcome of this. And even though it's a really easy design, it is so simple to do. You guys asked me to share simple nail art designs with you, so here you go. It's really easy. And again, you can also recreate this with regular nail polishes if you are not into gel polishes, or you simply don't own them, don't wear them, and so on. But yeah, I really love the way this looks, and the glitter is just gorgeous. Definitely check out the nail team. They have an entire like web shop. You can get beautiful glitters. They aren't that expensive either, and they are just great quality. So yeah, of course you can also do the glitter fade or glitter gradient from the tip on towards the cuticle area, but I just love doing the fade starting from the cuticle area, but that's just a personal preference. Then after you have applied all of the glitter, just go in with your top coat and cure that. And to finish off this design and to moisturize my skin and cuticles again a little bit after soaking off the previous design with pure acetone, just go in with some nail oil or cuticle oil. I'm just using this one a lot. I got it in Japan. Don't ask me where I got it or how much it was. I really can't remember. I was just in need of cuticle oil while being in Japan, so I just bought one. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm really curious to know what you think about this. If you are a Christmas loving person, or maybe you just want to like get into bed and ignore the fact that it's Christmas, that's totally fine as well. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section down below and I will be happy to answer all of your questions. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video.